Ratio analysis, in ratio analysis basically there are three types of main questions, right? First question, the easier one, calculating ratios, right? I am saying it easy because you have to just calculate the ratios and you just have to use the formulas. Now second type, this is considered difficult one. You have to do an analysis and write a description, right? It can be about company A and company B. You can compare them, which company is better performing in terms of liquidity, in terms of gearing, etc. Okay. And the third type of question that comes is to draw balance sheet or income statement using ratios and finding the missing values. Okay, so starting off with questions, right? Easier said than done. For example, if I am saying that current assets are 19,000, current liabilities are 17,000, inventories 11,000, inventory last year 12,000, long term debt 9,000, revenue 25,000, cost of sales 7,000, distribution cost 3,000, admin cost or admin expenses 2,500, and then there is something known as net asset value 80,000. Okay, now the question asks, first question. First is, what is capital gearing? Yes, so what is capital gearing? If you are familiar with the formula, then you can solve it easily. What is simple gearing? Simple gearing is what? Debt divided by equity, or the another formula is, or it can be debt over D plus E, that is debt plus equity, right? So we can use either one. For example, if I use the debt over equity one, so what is the debt? Long term debt is 9,000, and what is the equity? Equity is a net asset value, right? So this is equity 80,000. If you divide it, you will be getting a value 0.1125. Okay, this is the capital gearing. Then, if the question asks for current ratio is simply current assets divided by current liabilities. So what are the current assets? 19,000. Current liability 17,000. So it is 1.12. We often write it like in the form of ratio, 1.12 ratio 1. It means that liabilities are 1, assets are 1.12. Okay. Next is, for example, quick ratio. Quick ratio is current assets minus inventories or stock divided by current liabilities. Okay. So current assets are 19,000 and the inventories are 11,000. Okay. Okay, so current assets are 19,000 minus 11,000 divided by liability 17,000. It is coming 8,000 divided by 17,000. We are getting a value that is approximately 0.47. So this is the quick ratio. Okay. Then if we are asked to calculate stock turnover using average level, levels of stock. Okay, stock turnover using average levels of stock. So stocks are given. This is the closing, this is the opening. So average. Okay. And what's the formula of stock turnover? So the formula for average stock turnover in times is average stock level divided by cost of sales. Average stock level is opening plus closing stock divided by 2. So it was like 11,000. It was 11,000 plus 12,000 divided by 2, it is equivalent to 11,500. Okay, so average stock is 11,500. What is the cost of sales? Right, the cost of sales are 7,000. So the stock turnover is 1.64 times. Okay, then we are asked of operating profit margin, for example. Whenever we talk about margin, it means that in the denominator it will be, we are dealing with revenue. So operating profit divided by revenue. Now how we will be calculating the operating profit? Operating profit would be revenue minus expenses. This is the operating profit divided by revenue itself. So it is 50%. Okay, then if we are asked to calculate ROCE, that is return on capital employed. Or ROCE. So what's the formula? Net profit before tax and interest divided by debt plus equity, or long-term debt plus equity. Right, since there is nothing is mentioned about the interest, so interest is 0. So again it will be 25,000 minus 7,000 minus 2,500 minus 3,000, and we are dividing this value with long-term debt plus equity, right? 80,000 plus 9,000. So we are getting a value of 14%. Hope you guys have understood this part. I have done it, started directly with some of the questions because I was assuming that you know the formula. We will be discussing the formulas again. This is the end of this session.